Alright guys, we have an algebraic equation on the board. A square minus b square over a square plus a plus b, alright? Divide by 2a minus 2b all over ab, alright? So when you have an algebraic equation like this, what we need to do is to simplify the equation. So first of all, we are going to start with this. We simplify this a square, which is a square. Let me write our solution here. So a square minus b square will give us is equal to what? A plus b bracket a minus b in bracket. All right. So if you times this, you get this. If you multiply this, you are going to get this. All right. So we have simplified that. So we are going to put this inside the equation, which is equals to what? A plus b bracket a minus b. All right. Over this guy here, a square plus ab divided by our 2a minus 2b over ab. All right guys, now that we have gotten this, remember there is a division sign here, so we are going to apply our KCF rule, which is keep, change and flip. So we are going to keep this, change this to multiplication and flip this. This will go up while this will come down. Right, so we are doing that. Before we do that, I'll simplify this other two so that to make it very fast for us. All right, so if we flip this, we'll have a plus b bracket a minus b, all right, over, if we simplify this, our common factor here is a, which is a, then what to be inside the bracket is a plus b. All right, so a times a will give us a squared, a times b will give us ab. All right, times, because we are changing this to multiplication, while ab will go up and this will come down. The common factor here is 2. All right, you bring 2 out in bracket, which is a. 2 times a will give us 2a. All right, then minus b. 2 times b will give us minus 2b. We close the bracket. All right guys, so now that we have done simplifying this, we just have to cancel out to get our final answer. Look at it very closely. A minus b, we cancel out this a minus b. All right, a plus b, we cancel out this a plus b. So we are left with ab, all right, over a times 2 will give us 2a. So we cancel this, a will cancel this. So our final answer will be b over 2. So guys, this is the final answer to the question. Thank you for watching.